Gauchiel notigo de chulo kambi moro mar okinde mane yalo bura e doho e wach lowo moro e kaunti no yiko omenda morumo 224. Komiti mar omenda e kaunti no kotelne kod William Kinyanyi ne dwaro ng'eyo kaka omenda go notigo de chulo chenro mag doho manotieki oko mar doho, duoko mane gimanyo kowuok kuom jatend migawo mar omenda George Nying'iro.
Following a joint valuation exercise by valuers from both parties, the suit property was valued at Kenya shilling 23. See valuation reports and certificate of joint valuation as attached in Annex 7. Further, the cabinet approved settlement of the claim for total Kenya shilling 26 million. Number two, the firm of otiyo and company advocates offered legal service to the county government and was paid a fee of Kenya shilling 4.06 million in strict compliance with the articles of the valuation order. The fee was provided by the law firm is descriptive of the nature of services rendered as well as the fees charged for the service.
If you look at the orders, these people are asking for, the first order was asking that we are evicted from that person. If the order of eviction is granted, you can already see you are losing 22 million plus the value of the land, which if you were to go by the joint valuation report, the value of the land alone stood at 23 million. So already you can see you stood to lose 45 million before you start.
I believe that the document in question is a government document, and that there is a way it was obtained. There is a procedure of getting a title deed. How did we get this title deed? This is what we should be investigating.
And was it, how did you pay 26 million? Somebody advocate comes to you, you pay 26 million. Just because the advocate has said, the court has said. And you say it's out of court settlement. What percentage were these other people getting out of this? Without involving the investigating officers to do the job, the EACC to do it. And we are missing medicines from our hospitals. There because someone said, pay 26 million.
Moko kuom MCS ma kaunti ma Migori dwaro mondo piny owacho ma kaunti no mondo ketie tim kaka owinjore lipot mar nonro mar jotich manotim kod piny owacho mar kaunti no e higa